When you park with JV Global Services, you getting great business with one of the biggest parking in Illinois. Just with JV Global Services, you getting $3,000 credit for our services.
JV Global Services can fit 5 full trucks with a pickup and also additional space for 4 trucks in mechanic shop. Why did you choose JV Global Services?
We have been trusting JV Global Services for the last year and a half with their great service.
Awesome, thank you. JV Global Services provides you 24/7 cross-docking service and also overnight or weekly storage.
I'm inviting you to do your business with us with the JV Global Services, one of the biggest parking in Illinois.
We appreciate your business with us.
Ваш бізнес в надіжних руках.